This video may be promoting affiliate links, and if you choose to make a purchase, MyHomeJobs may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. If you've searched for ways to make money online, you already know how overwhelming it can be. So many different methods, and too many talking heads claiming theirs is the best one, or even the only one, that works. For regular people, that can make it all feel super confusing before you even start something. But the system we're looking at today positions itself as a simpler starting point for those exploring online income streams who don't want to build everything from scratch. Go Digital Income is presented as an online income platform designed for beginners. According to the source material, users can get their foot in the door in 3 steps: creating an account, accessing a dashboard, and choosing from multiple online income paths. The platform emphasizes flexibility, beginner access, and a simple setup process. It is positioned for people who want to work from a device, not a corporate office, follow steps, and explore online earning methods without needing advanced technical skills. Of course, this doesn't mean automatic income. Like any online business or project, it still requires learning, action, patience, and consistency. But the platform gives you a way to finally get started. One of the main selling points of Go Digital Income is that it organizes your potential opportunity into 3 different income streams: the connector stream, the marketplace stream, and the community stream. Instead of asking beginners to invent a business model from nothing, the platform breaks the process into categories that may match different strengths and interests. Let's look at each one in plain English. The connector stream is focused on affiliate marketing. In simple terms, that means connecting people with offers, tools, or products that already exist. The source material describes this stream as a way to learn how affiliate marketing works behind the scenes, how to position yourself, and how to choose offers. For beginners, this may be appealing because you are not creating a product from scratch, but it is still important to understand that affiliate marketing takes effort. You need traffic, trust, consistency, and the right audience. But thankfully, you don't need to show your face. The marketplace stream is focused on digital products. Now, this path is all about placing digital products where buyers already are, instead of trying to build an entire audience from scratch or simply guess what products are selling. This could appeal to people who like the idea of selling digital assets or simple online products, but who do not want to start with a big personal brand. Again, this is not automatic. Digital products still require choosing the right product, understanding the marketplace, presenting the offer clearly, and learning what buyers actually want. These are things that Go Digital may help with. Lastly, the community stream is about building an audience over time. The source material describes this path as focusing on relationships, trust, and email-based communication. This is the more long-term angle. Instead of just chasing one quick result, the idea is to build a list or community that can grow in value as you continue helping people. For beginners, this may be useful if you like writing, sharing resources, building trust, or communicating with an audience over time. Go Digital Income presents the setup process as 3 simple steps. First, create your account. Second, activate your chosen income streams. Third, use the dashboard and available guidance to start working through the process. That simple structure may be helpful for beginners who feel stuck because they do not know where to begin. But once again, simple does not mean effortless. A better way to think about it is this: the platform may give you a more organized starting point, but you still have to take action and work through the material. Go Digital Income may be worth exploring if you are a beginner who wants a more structured introduction to online income. It may also be a fit if you want something device-based, flexible, and simple enough to start learning without advanced tech skills. The source material says the platform is designed for different ages, skill levels, and backgrounds, and that a basic device and internet connection are enough to begin. That said, the best fit is probably someone who understands that online income is a learning process, not a magic button. One reason to highlight this offer is that the steps are broken down into manageable pieces. You don't need a full-fledged bootcamp to wrap your head around it. The Go Digital Income material suggests that many people may be able to work through steps in short sessions, even with a busy schedule. Just don't treat that as a promise that a small amount of time will automatically produce income. Here's a realistic expectation. You may be able to start learning and setting things up in short blocks of time, but your results will depend on what you do with that time, how consistent you are, and whether the method you choose fits your skills and situation. Another point Go Digital Income emphasizes is support. The source material mentions that users are not meant to do everything alone, and it references support and a user community around the platform. For beginners, that can matter, because one of the hardest parts of starting online is getting stuck and not knowing what to do next. Still, before buying anything, it is always smart to review the support options for yourself. Look at what kind of help is available, how to contact support, and what is included with your purchase. The Go Digital income source material also includes user testimonials. These can be useful for understanding why some people like the platform, but it is important to view testimonials correctly. A testimonial is an individual experience. It does not guarantee that everyone will have the same outcome. So rather than treating testimonials as proof that you will earn a specific amount or get a specific result, use them as one piece of information while making your own decision. Now let's talk about the starting price. Go Digital Income currently presents a starting price of only $9. That lower starting price makes it easier for beginners to explore the platform and potentially start building an online income stream compared with higher ticket programs. But even at a lower price, you should still treat it like any real investment. Read the details, understand what is included, check the terms, and make sure it fits your goals and budget before moving forward. Before trying Go Digital Income, here are a few things you should probably check. Make sure you understand what you are buying. Look for the terms and conditions. Review any refund or cancellation information. Check what support is available. And be honest with yourself about whether you are willing to follow the steps consistently. That is the grounded way to approach any online income platform. So, is Go Digital Income worth looking at? If you are a total beginner who wants a structured way to explore online income paths, it may be worth reviewing. What's great is that the platform presents 3 different paths instead of forcing everyone into one model. I also like that the source material focuses on simplicity, flexibility, and beginner access. But I would not approach it as guaranteed income, easy money, or a shortcut around effort. Approach it as a possible starting point, something to review, learn from, and use consistently if it fits your goals. If you want to review Go Digital Income for yourself and claim access for only $9, you can do so by visiting this link, tinyurl.com/GoGoDigital. If you buy through that link, this channel earns an affiliate commission at no extra cost to you. And remember, this is not a guarantee of income. Take your time, review the offer, and decide whether it makes sense for you. If you found this helpful, subscribe to MyHomeJobs for more remote earning methods, beginner-friendly online income breakdowns, and realistic work-from-home resources. You can also visit myhomejobs.net for other legit home-based opportunities.